In this program, we are going to configure a switch on Arduino. And using the switch, we are going to control the LED on pin number 12. So let us say that our switch is connected to pin number 11, and using the switch, we want to control the LED on pin number 12. So for reading the switch data, we know the syntax is digital read. So let's define the switch as int sw equals to 11, int led equals to 12, defining the pin mode of switch. Pin mode of switch will be input because switch is an input device, whereas the pin mode of LED will be output because LED is an output device. Coming down, for reading the value of switch, we'll be using the syntax digital read. For that, we'll be writing int, or itself, we can also take it as boolean. Let's take it as int. So int val equals to digital read from pin switch, and the same value we'll be writing to LED. So we can write digital write LED comma val. So if the switch is pressed, the value of val will be 1, and the same should be written on LED, which should switch on the LED. And if the switch is released, the value of val should be 0, which should be written on LED, which should switch off the LED consequently. So let's create a setup for this program first, and then we'll be uploading the program. So we already have one LED connected on pin number 12, and what I need to do is I need to simply connect the switch on pin number 11. So we have the switch with us ready. So now once you're done with connection, the connection is like this, so as shown on the this image. We can upload the program. So once we're done with uploading program, now we can see the LED on pin number 12 is off, and we can control it using the switch. So if I press the switch, the LED should be on, and I'm pressing the switch, and you can see the LED is on. As soon as we release the switch, it should go off. Again, if you press the switch, this is how you can interface the LEDs and switch with Arduino and use the switch to control the LEDs as well. So this is how we interface input and output devices with Arduinos. And in next videos, we'll be coming up with how to work with PWM to control the brightness of LED, and how do we work with other techniques like serial communication and interfacing motors using Ultra 9 3D motor drivers and creating robot as well. So stay tuned for further videos. Thank you for watching this video.